A digital explorer threads through the cosmos, chasing bizarre chirps from Saturn's rings and distant pulsars alike. In the forgotten data of a quiet nebula, a faint heartbeat rises, inviting theories about plasma tides and magnetic whispers. Another signal from a rogue planet evokes rustling static clues suggesting moonquakes, atmospheric storms, or hidden technosignatures. A recording near a black hole teases a choir of warped harmonies, hinting at spacetime vibrations or gravitational lensing echoes. The guide concludes with humility, proposing experiments, cross-observatories, and the idea that wonder itself is the first instrument.